Hi guys, good afternoon. By the way, I am just picking up this camera because this is one of the days that I do not feel like myself. It's actually 3. Imagine I have spent the whole day doing nothing, absolutely nothing, and it's getting to me that the day is almost over, honestly. But today, I don't know, my feelings, everything is all over, but yeah, I have to still create for you guys. It feels like a self-care day to me, and that's what I'm just going to do the whole of the day. So like the remaining part of the day. And also this is just the mask, the eye mask that I got. Let me just show you how it looks. Yeah, so it's the one that I got from Little Things. But anyways guys, let me do what I have to. I'm thinking of doing a mask today. I don't know if I'll create any content today because this is my free day. Yeah, so we'll just see how the day goes. But yo, I hope you guys are going to enjoy. So yeah, with this weather, I don't think I can live without my heater because there's no way that I'm going to just be alone in this house and just stay like that without any heat. So I needed to turn that on, feel the heat because the house is so cold. I'm even wearing socks, shoes, mara. Hey, anyways, in other news, I'm sorry for the noise, by the way, but my flowers are still looking as fresh as possible. And imagine they've just lasted like a week and a few days. That is so awesome, honestly. For the price that I got them for, I believe that looks so gorgeous. Anyways, it's time for me to feed my fish. They're looking a little bit hungry and mama is here, so let me do my duties and then I'm gonna catch up with you. Go Jerry, oh. Hey, the weather is acting up. Like, I didn't even think it would be this cold at this time because I think last year it wasn't raining and it wasn't cold, but this year it has decided to show us. Please let me know what you usually do on such days where you're just feeling low and like unmotivated to do anything. You feel like you're just repeating yourself over and over again, like you're not even achieving anything. Please let me know down in the comment section. But for me, I usually do self-care to just get that energy back. I'm trying, honestly. Anyways, this is the Garnier tissue mask. It's the Hydra Bomb one, and I want to use this. I'm just trying to put the serum, to push the serum down so that I can use it for other days because it usually comes in handy, especially when you just want that, like your face to look gorgeous and all. Anyways, let me start using it. And I also got this from Jumia, guys. Please feel free to use the code that I'm going to like write down here so that you can also get yourself a bargain on these items. Yeah, so scent. I've never used this one, by the way. This one, that's the those are the ingredients that are inside. Yeah, but let me use it. Yeah, that's how it looks. It's juicy. I was expecting it to have like a lot of serum left, but the essence, yeah, but it's okay, it's okay. I'll just let it stay for 10 to 15 minutes. I think that, yeah, 15 minutes right there. Then as I do something else, yeah, so I'm gonna catch up with you once that is done. I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. You better not to sin. I think so. Okay, let me just be. And my face looks so nice after the mask. It was a while since I even put any mask. I think I also need the eye masks, but at least we've got one thing done and I feel so relaxed right now. So as I just go through this, I'm really feeling hungry, by the way, and I'm craving. The only thing that I have in this house, and we are honestly approaching elections, are potatoes, which I had like kept for any time that I'm feeling hungry. So I want to peel those ones off, and then I can just like fry them and indulge, because times like this, I know we need like that fuel to keep going. I'm trying to actually set you up so that I can be able to do haul, just a mini haul of the items that I got. These are makeup that I got from Maybelline. Yeah, it's a package. Yeah, I got it from Maybelline, and I just want to show you the items. I think I should move far behind. My food is still cooking, by the way, but these are the items that I got. Cute mini bag. And the first item I got is the Super Stay Activewear Maybelline foundation. This is in the shade 64 Chestnut. Yeah, so I got that. I can't wait to start using it, because the last time that I used Maybelline foundation is like a long time. The one that I had is the tube one, and me and that one, I don't think my face even accepts it. But anyways, I got that. I also got this new lip glosses, the Lifter Gloss. This is in the shade 600 Topaz, and this is how cute it looks. I believe they're brand new. I haven't opened them yet. And then there's this one, which is Pearl. I can't wait to start using this one, especially once I line my lips. Everything will look gorgeous. Yeah, so I got these two, which like make your lip plump. Yeah. Anyways, guys, the other item that I got is this Super Stay Full Coverage powder, the Fit Me powder. Yeah, and it's in the shade Caramel number 60. I believe they go well together and they match my face. And then lastly, I got this Maybelline New York mascara. Yeah, I just lost that for a moment. But yeah, these are the items that I got. Feel free to get them honestly on Jumia. You can get them at a very affordable price, especially since we all have a discount code that we are using. Yeah, so you need that discount. Yeah, but anyways, guys, these are the items that I got. Yeah, let me check up on my food so we can continue with this day. At least the day is getting better and better. Me just getting these hangers, which were 390 for a set of 12 at Little More. Yeah, I got these white ones, and I want to fill this whole place up with white ones. Yeah, to just match my closet. You know, everything here goes with a theme. But yeah, like, just check out this layering I have been doing in just one hanger. So I'm really glad that I got these ones. I want to start packing everything up right here so that I can at least have space for the numerous clothes that are down there. Yeah. Finally, I will have I can be able to just pick out an outfit, because every coat will actually have a hanger. So I'm thinking of transferring those ones to this part, because you see there's so much space. And now they look cute. You see, the white just does something to them. It makes these coats look so nice. At least I'll be well planned. Yeah, you see this one has so much. My college jacket is here and it deserves a hanger. But let me do everything and I will check up with you once I'm fully done. But doesn't it look cute? Honestly, looks well arranged. Yeah. And I have so many pink items. I just realized I'm just hanging the pink items. Pink, white. Okay. It looks so cute. All my coats are here. I have more, but I'm going to hang them, just that they are longer. But I've put the longer ones right there. Yeah, so let me just admire this and see what I'm going to add here. But I love how neat this closet is looking, the storage boxes, yeah, and then the hangers right now. This like everything is looking so put together. Having a sleepover today at my house, yeah, but just one of my babes is here, so we are doing some TikTok, creating content, yeah, and all, and we're also wearing matching sets, yeah, so that's the plan of the night, as we just learn how to like maneuver TikTok and everything, you know. That's the big ring light there, and that's her. See, let me show you our outfits. I'm in the kitchen trying to make some snacks for her, because the only thing that is in this house is I have liquor and I also have like biscuits. So yeah, I got a whole carton of biscuits for any guest that shows up. Yeah, and we had already had like lunch before dinner, I think, because we ate it late. So yeah, I'm just preparing some little snacks. Soda, yeah, we'll be good till tomorrow as we just create our content and all. I'm sure you can hear so many songs and everything going like on in the background, but please bear with me.
It was one of the perfect shots
in the first round.
I need a lot of practice.
TikTok's in jail. Guys, imagine amekula content yote hata before nichukue nini pictures. Anyways, alcohol, water, soda, biscuits. Good morning. It's the next day. I've just come from Naivas doing some like little breakfast shopping. We are also watching Love Island, by the way, US. Yeah. I don't know which season though, but it's so interesting. Yo, so I want to prepare breakfast because we have like a lot of errands to run today. I'll probably be checking out another house. Yeah, thinking of moving out. Yeah, not yet sure, but doing that, we're also going to be going like fruit shopping, yeah, getting more stuff for the house. So yeah, let me prepare the breakfast for my guest. Yeah, and I'm gonna catch up with you once we're done with all that. But I hope you're still enjoying the vlog. If you haven't liked it yet, please like it. Mini oil cakes, bread, ham, strawberries, yeah, and flour for the pancakes, and then milk. Yeah, just some few things for the breakfast.
See like what we have first. I feel like that's most important. So yeah, so kind of tell me like what you're looking for.
I would love to like watch this movie of life with somebody.
For sure.
And I think a lot of young men like.
As I want to do my makeup, it's the next day. I'm going for like just a little bit of shopping errands. Yeah, I want to use the makeup that I got from Maybelline, the new makeup. So yeah, I'm just finishing up so that once we are gone, like I can like finish up with my errands the day that I've planned, yeah, and all. So I'm just going to do this first because I don't have time and I can't afford to be this late because it's around 3 by the way. I'm just setting my beauty blender, the spray. And I'm looking so crusty, you know. But I believe that by the end of this, like next week, I'll be doing my glow up. So can't wait. Oh, I needed to shake this because it's so runny. Yeah. That's the coverage. I don't know what I think about it, but I can see that it blends nicely. I'm using the shade Chestnut. I think I mentioned that. But yeah, this is the coverage. It's not heavy as well, and also it runs. It's not so thick. Powder time. Yeah, it's the shade Caramel number 60. But the foundation matches, by the way. So I'm not using any concealer because this was just supposed to be fast makeup.
It just makes me feel like I'm best with my own. It's just really shit, but I'm still learning it. Like I enjoy like. There's nothing but opportunity there right now to get to know one another on that kind of level.
Hey guys, I am finally done with my makeup. This is just the spray that I want to apply, but this is how the makeup looks. I love it. This is the gloss, the lifter gloss. Yeah, I'll leave all the details on my description box on where you can get these items, but they're all locally available and available on Jumia. So feel free to pick any item that you might want. But yo, let me just show you my quick simple outfit of the day. It's just an errands day. So scent of the day, yeah, got it from Little More. I love the scent, and it was really affordable. Guys, we are here in Garden City. We want to first check out Hot Point. My friend keeps distracting me, but yeah, we are here. Campaigns are really size in Nashika kabisa. That's why there's so much noise. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the places that we are going to head out to. So we're actually here in the like fridge section, literally expensive, 138. But the brand that I'm looking for is either LG, Samsung. So it like the prices are okay for that. So I'm looking for something really affordable, at least because it's just my first house. But with time, I'll look into these bigger ones. See, these big ones are and the double doors ones. Also Bosch. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, this looks good. It's 89k. I'm also looking at the things that are inside also, how they've parted it because of the food, and also the freezer. The freezer is really important. But yeah, let me keep looking. Oh, there's another small one here, LG 89. Yeah, thank you. 89,995. Cindy.